What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Sparkplug on 2016 Honda Civic. It will be also similar for up to 2021 Honda Civic. It's a 2-liter engine. So to do this job, we need following tools. You need regular ratchet. Also, you need the torque wrench. Of course, you need the spark plug. Also, you need the 10 mm socket, 14 mm spark plug socket, extension, and gap tool. I'm going to use impact to make it faster to remove the cover and other parts. Before we start the video, please like and subscribe to support our channel. So first I'm going to use 10 mm socket and going to remove 1, 2, 3 and 4 10 mm bolt. Now next step is to remove the electrical connection from each ignition coils. So now we are going to remove this ignition coil by removing this 10 mm bolt in each ignition coil. Now this point I'm just going to remove one ignition coil, remove the spark plug and then put back the new spark plug. So I'm going to prepare the new spark plug before remove the ignition coil. I have to do this to prevent anything go inside the engine, because if something goes inside, falls down, you ruin the engine. Once our new spark plug is hand tightened, I'm going to use the torque wrench and torque it down to 15 to 20 Newton meter. Now follow the same procedure for remaining 3 spark plugs. So now we're going to put back our electrical connection to the ignition coil. So next is to put the engine cover back. So last step is to start the car and see if it works perfectly. Honda recommends to change the spark plug every 50,000 km, so it's best to do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below, and please hit the subscribe to support our channel. See you next time.